United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 244. Publication and dissemination of information and knowledge. 1. States and competent international organizations shall, in accordance with this convention, make available by publication and dissemination through appropriate channels information on proposed major programs and their objectives, as well as knowledge resulting from marine scientific research. 2. For this purpose, states, both individually and in cooperation with other states and with competent international organizations, shall actively promote the flow of scientific data and information and the transfer of knowledge resulting from marine scientific research, especially to developing states, as well as the strengthening of the autonomous marine scientific research capabilities of developing states through, inter alia, programs to provide adequate education and training of their technical and scientific personnel.